When you search for hard-to-know covers, everything looks the exact same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1: WFCYX Tonneau Cover Clips. Let's kick things off with the WFCYX Truck Bed Cover Clips. At just $7.58, these clips might seem like an afterthought, but they really caught my attention for their practical design. If you want reliable clips for your hard-folding tonneau cover, this is worth a serious look. Their main job is to securely hold up the back flip prop rods, which is crucial for keeping your cover in place while you're loading or unloading. It's that simple, but here's why it matters for you specifically. If your cover isn't secure, it can flap around, potentially causing damage or making it harder to access your truck bed when you need it. Now I'll be real with you, some users mention that the clips can be a bit tricky to install. But here's the thing. Once you get the hang of it, they snap on with ease, and the peace of mind they provide is well worth the minor installation hassle. This is perfect for you if you frequently use your truck bed and want to ensure that your tonneau cover is securely held up. Skip this one if you're looking for a full cover solution, as these are just clips. For the price, they're a solid addition to your truck accessories. Now, if the installation difficulty of the clips bothered you, this next product offers a completely different approach. Product number 2: Lion Cover Hard Trifold. Next up is the Lion Cover Hard Trifold, priced at $583.44. This cover really caught my eye because of its heavy-duty construction made from aluminum and FRP materials. If you want maximum protection for your cargo, this is worth a serious look. The materials used mean it's waterproof, snowproof, and dirtproof, ensuring your truck bed stays dry and secure. The easy installation, no drilling required, makes it a hassle-free choice for anyone who wants to upgrade their truck. Here's why this matters for you. You can protect your tools, equipment, or recreational gear without worrying about theft or damage from the elements. Now, some customers have pointed out that it can be a bit bulky for one person to handle during installation. Here's the thing though, if you have a buddy to help or you're okay with a little extra effort, the protection this cover provides is absolutely worth it. This is perfect for you if you regularly haul valuable items and want a cover that can withstand tough conditions. Skip this one if you have a small truck bed or need a lightweight option for occasional use. Given its solid construction, it's a great value for money. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for ease of use. Product number 3: Tiger Auto T1 Soft Roll-Up. Now let's talk about the Tiger Auto T1 Soft Roll-Up cover. It's a different style, and while the price isn't listed, it's generally affordable. This caught my attention because it offers full bed access with a simple roll-up design. If you want convenience for daily use, this is worth a serious look. The built-in horizontal crossbars provide support when laid flat, and when you need full bed access, it rolls up easily. Here's why this matters for you. You get the best of both worlds: a cover that protects your cargo and the flexibility to load larger items when necessary. However, some users have commented that the installation instructions could be clearer, especially about cutting small holes for clamps on certain bed liners. But honestly, once you figure it out, it's a breeze to install and take off, offering great functionality. This is perfect for you if you need a balance between security and flexibility in your truck bed. Skip this one if you prefer a hard cover for maximum protection. For the price point and ease of use, it's a fantastic option for truck owners. Now, if you're looking for a hard cover with a trifold design, let's check out another solid contender. Product number 4: Tiger Auto T3 Soft Trifold. Up next is the Tiger Auto T3 Soft Trifold, which is specifically designed for 2019-2026 Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra 1500 models. The price is competitive, and I love the dual-coated vinyl and aluminum frame construction. If you want a blend of durability and style, this is worth a serious look. It's designed for easy, no-drill installation, which means you can get it on and off without needing specialized tools. Here's why this matters for you. The convenience it offers can save you time and frustration, especially if you frequently use your truck for work or play. However, a few customers mention that it might not fit perfectly with certain bed configurations. Here's the thing. If you have a standard bed without extra features, you're likely to love this. But if you have a unique setup, you might want to double-check the fitment. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish, functional cover that's easy to use. Skip this one if you have a non-standard bed setup. Considering the build quality, you're getting good value for the price. Now, if you're eyeing a Tonneau cover for a Jeep Gladiator, you'll want to see what's next. Product number 5. Tiger Auto T3 Soft Tri-Fold for Jeep. Finally, we have the Tiger Auto T3 Soft Tri-Fold specifically for the 2020-2026 Jeep Gladiator. It's priced affordably and it offers great features that caught my attention. If you're a Jeep owner looking for a reliable cover, this is worth a serious look. Like its counterpart for the Chevy, this cover is made from durable marine-grade vinyl and features an easy installation process. It fits both models with and without a utility track system, which means versatility. Here's why this matters for you. Having a cover that works with your existing setup can save you money and hassle. Now, some users have pointed out that it may require small modifications for some bed liners, which could be a bit annoying. But honestly, the fact that you can easily install it with basic tools makes it a solid choice, even with that minor inconvenience. This is perfect for you if you want a practical cover for your Jeep that doesn't compromise on style or functionality. Skip this one if you're looking for a hard cover with maximum security. For the price and ease of use, it offers great value for Jeep owners. So to wrap things up, we've covered some fantastic options today. The WFCYX clips are great for securing your existing cover, while the Lion cover offers heavy-duty protection for serious cargo. The Tiger Auto T1 gives you roll-up convenience, and the T3 options are stylish and functional for Chevy and Jeep owners alike. Each has its strengths and fits different needs, so choose the one that suits you best.